In this question, you're asked to integrate sine inverse of root of x by a plus x. So how do we do this? So first, you have in this integral inverse function which contains an algebraic function with a square root. So our first aim will be to remove that square root if possible by suitable substitution. So what I do is let x is equal to a tan square theta. Let that be the substitution. So let us see what happens if I do this. So what is dx? Dx is equal to a times tan square theta's differentiation is 2 tan theta times tan theta's differentiation is secant square theta d theta. Now what is x by a plus x? X by a plus x is a tan square theta by a plus a tan square theta, that is a times 1 plus tan square theta. So it's a and a gets cancelled. It is sine square theta by cos square theta divided by 1 plus tan square is secant square. 1 by cos square theta. This and this gets cancelled. So you get sine square theta. So root of x by a plus x will be equal to root of this, will be equal to root of this, will be equal to root of this, which is equal to sine theta. So what is sine inverse of this? Sine inverse of sine theta. So this becomes integration of the whole expression becomes theta times dx is this. 2a is a constant which goes out. Tan theta times secant square theta d theta. So now how do we integrate this? So you have a theta and tan theta into secant square theta. So if you see clearly, tan theta into secant square theta is very easy to integrate because tan theta's differentiation is secant square theta. So let us take this theta as the first function and this whole function as my second function. So that is equal to a times u integral v theta times what is the integration of tan theta secant square theta d theta. So if you take tan theta as some y, this becomes dy. So this is integration is tan square theta by 2 f of x into f dash of x dx, f of x whole square by 2 minus u integral v minus integral of the differentiation of this is 1 into the integration of this is tan square theta by 2 d theta. So that is equal to 2a times, this has already been integrated, theta tan square theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 times what is integration of secant tan square theta. So how do we integrate this? We write tan square theta as secant square theta minus 1. And what is the integration of secant square theta? Tan theta. 1's integration is theta. So the integration is tan theta minus theta plus secant. So the final answer is 2a times, so this 2 gets cancelled, so this 2 gets cancelled. So a times theta tan square theta minus tan theta plus theta plus secant. So once integration is done, you just need to do the back substitution. So tan square theta is x by a and theta is nothing but tan inverse of root x by a, right? So x by a root x by a tan inverse. So that is equal to a times theta is common. So theta is tan inverse of root x by a times tan square theta plus 1. That is x by a plus 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta is root x by a plus. So thus we have done the back substitution. This will be the final answer to this question.